Hey guys, welcome to the first real video of the Dirt Bike Shed YouTube channel. Today we're going to be replacing the fork seals on my dad's CRF250X. There's like 3 weeks until the riding season starts, so in a few weeks we will be getting riding videos out to you guys, but here where we live, the trails aren't open until May 1st. Yeah, and we're probably going to post around every Sunday if we can. We're going to try our best to. So I'm going to throw the GoPro on and let's get those seals cleaned. When we bought the bike, you might be able to tell, yeah, you can definitely tell there's some stuff down there that shouldn't be there. We got this, we didn't feel like replacing the entire fork seals because that job is above our head. So we got this thing from Motion Pro. It's called a Seal Mate. So basically, it's just a thin plastic strip that you stick up the shock and then you clean it out. Alright, so first we got to get the dust seal away. This should work. Alright, so we are getting a new toolbox soon. That'll be much more organized. Anyways, for now, that'll do. So we gotta get these out of there. Does that work? Where is it? Oh yeah, that's got quite a bit of dirt. Now we're gonna take this thing. Alright, now we gotta stick this. I might want to take these off. I bet this one will fit. Bingo bango, we're ready to tango. Oh. Here we go, there's one. You know, unluckily. I was gonna say, luckily I don't have to do this for the other side. Idiot me. I still have this thing. If you guys can see good. Righty. We'll just throw those right there. Okay, that didn't help. Dang it. Oh wait, no, it did. It did. Expose these two that I had to take out. Man, these things are cranked. Cranked right on. Whoa, that thing's cranked. Start a counter how many times Brian says cranked. Oh, jeez, my God, that thing was really cranked on there, whoever did this last. Dude, they still feel like they're cranked. Maybe I'll have to do something about that. Oh no, they had Loctite on them. That makes sense. That they felt so cranked. Oh my God, is there Bro, how am I supposed to get this? How many? Alright, let's stick this there. If this works. What's this? Alright, let's get this up the tube. Not working. Hold on. Let me figure this out. Okay, we're back. And we figured it out. Let's stick this up here. It's really thin. There it is. Now we're just gonna simply go around it like this. Ooh, yeah. There is lots of stuff. I need a rag. Aha! Bingo! Bingo bango, ready to tango. Dude, I swear, I say the same things over and over when I'm working on my dirt bikes, but then I never say these things in real life. It's very strange. The fender's trying to kill me. It's like, you must be eliminated. Come on. There it is. Let's get you out of there. Oh, yeah. Yep. That would cause it not to seal. Let's clean this. See if dude, I can't even. Dude, this is a full size dirt bike. It's a 250X. Like, this is this is how tall the seat is on that bike versus my XR. Come on now. I don't weigh enough. This is gonna get sketchy. Okay. Well, there it is. Alright. We did it. Yeah. I don't know. Pretty good to me. But there was some dirt that I saw also, so I was going to take the screwdriver. That was right around here. I'm not too sure what I'm doing in the... Don't take this as a tutorial. Because your bike might get messed up, not gonna lie. Okay. There's tons of dirt in there. You see it all right there. I might get this cleaned out and then work on the next one, then I'll see you guys when I start working on the next one. Alright guys, so it turns out only the left fork was a little leaky, so the right fork was fine, so you guys didn't miss anything. Also, if you guys were wondering, there's the dirt bike shed. That is the shed. Oh yeah. Alright, I'm just gonna wash those up, and then I'll be back with you guys. When we bought the bike, we were working on it. We were working on the carburetor. We'll have another video on that. But I noticed a bunch of parts, right? So, first thing, Warp 9 Elite rear rim. And I'll put the price like right around here something of each of these things when I looked them up. So Warp 9 rim, complete rim. There was Heinzen case covers, Hammerhead design rear brake setup. There was also some Moose Racing. It's upside down, but those are radiator braces. So yeah, just a few little things, but all those things are kind of pricey, and they added up. The parts alone, aftermarket parts, are worth a good amount, almost half the bike. So yeah, yeah. All right guys, that's it for the video, and remember, when in doubt, throttle out.